Hey, what's up, droners? B here, and nothing new here, right? We're just here to talk about the coronavirus, keeping things safe, and yeah, we got some things to say because it has to do with drones. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so the coronavirus is here. It's real. Is it more real than Ebola or anything else? That's all debatable. But one thing that is happening is that DJI is shutting its doors in China. And they're shutting it because of the coronavirus. The government's been putting out a lot of stop orders, or pretty much like, I guess you can't call them evacuation orders, or they're pretty much saying stay home. That's what China's saying. They're like, hey, yo, you should just stay home because we don't want this to spread. It could get really bad. And that's what they're saying. And so DJI said, you know what? We don't want our employees dying from this or getting sick or spreading this. So we're just going to end this. And a lot of people are actually worried that this is going to delay the release of DJI's latest drones, the Mavic 3 possibly, the Phantom 5 probably not, or the Inspire 3 maybe. I made a whole different video about that. Check it out because there's a lot of rumors going around about what may be coming out and when. And then the government took it a step further and ended up using DJI drones to alert people who are doing things they're not supposed to be. Like, even as you can see here in this video in Mongolia, there's like this old lady who's out here that a drone, it's a Mavic 2, by the way, that is approaching her, and it has a speaker on it. And the speaker is pretty much telling her in Chinese, or whatever language, the version of Chinese they're speaking in this particular area, is that they're saying, go home, please. They call her auntie for some reason, which is kind of cute. But auntie, please go home. It's the coronavirus is out here. You're not wearing a mask. If you could please stay indoors, that'd be great. And they're pretty much using these drones to get the word out that people need to stay in. Kind of for me feels like RoboCop, because it's just like, I can go outside and walk if I want to, and the government's like, no, you can't. We don't want this spreading anymore. And that's just what it's gonna be. Real talk though, that would be really annoying to not be able to go outside. But it'd be really funny to have a drone trying to tell you what to do. Like, yo, you're not gonna be out here. And I'm like, oh, really? You wanna bet? Because I got this rock that says something different. So hopefully this doesn't delay any new greatness that I would love to get my hands on. But at the same time, happy DJI is doing their best to keep things safe. And yeah, you guys should do the same. Droners, thank you so much for checking out this incredibly safe version of a new version of Droner News, because this was interesting to me, was it not? Was it not interesting to you? It was. And if you like to see interesting things, we got them. Check them out. They're right here because we got more news-like things. Or if you'd like to see the greatest intro video that drones have ever seen, because they can see too, they got cameras, right here. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notifications on so you know when the greatness is coming for you. And as always, 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 make sure that you stay fly.